my brother Adam told me I had a problem like that, and it was a wheel bearing. And I said, well, I checked the wheel bearings and they were fine. So you kind of do a test where you push and pull up and down on the wheels to see how your wheel bearings sit. And I thought, well, might as well check them. And actually I started putting on this driver's side wheel, and I looked at the hub and it was moving a little bit. And what do you know? You can probably see it moving there. You can probably hear it. So I got a bad wheel bearing on this driver's side wheel. So I'll order that part and get that fixed. And replace that, and hopefully that'll fix my problem after I've been troubleshooting for months now.